Welcome to the English Beginner Zone. Hello everyone. Today we are going to visit Burger King. You will hear a simple story between two friends, Toni and Diana, and a Burger King staff member. I will speak slowly, so don't worry. Just relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully. Here is today's question. What year did Burger King start? The answer is in the story. Try to listen and find it. You can write your answer in the comments in English. This will help you improve your English faster. All right, are you ready? Let's start the video.
Here we are, Burger King. It's been a while, right?
Yeah, maybe 2 months. I am really hungry today.
Me too. I skipped breakfast this morning.
Oh no, that is why you walked so fast.
Sorry. Let's look at the menu board first.
Okay, the photos look so good. I want everything.
We can't eat everything, Diana.
I know. But look at that big burger.
That's the Whopper. It's their most famous one.
Whopper? Funny name. What does it mean?
It means something really big.
That's a good name for a burger. That makes sense.
It really does look big on the poster. Yes, 2 hands big, I think.
2 hands big. I like that.
They also have smaller burgers, like the Junior.
Good. Sometimes I want a small one.
And look, they have chicken, fish, and salads too.
Salads at a burger shop? Nice.
The sides are not just fries. They have onion rings too.
Onion rings. I love those.
A set is about $10 to $12. Not too bad.
Do they have a breakfast menu too?
Yes, eggs, toast, and hash browns, but only until 10:30.
Oh, that's early. I always wake up late on weekends.
Me too. Lunch it is.
They also have kids' meals. Look at the little drink cup.
Yes, kids' meals come with a small toy sometimes.
So cute. Kids must love that.
By the way, Burger King is in many countries too.
Really? How many?
More than 100 countries.
Wow, that's a lot. Do they sell the same food everywhere?
Not really. Each country has some different items.
Really? Like what?
In some countries, they sell rice burgers or spicy chicken.
That sounds fun. I want to try all of them someday.
Okay, world tour someday.
Oh, by the way,
What?
last time I came here, I saw something funny.
Funny? Tell me.
I'll tell you inside. Let's order first. I'm too hungry.
Hey, that's not fair. Now I really want to know.
I'll tell you after we order, promise.
Fine. Let's go in. Wow, it smells so good in here. Look, there's no line. We are lucky.
I can see them cooking. I am so hungry.
Let's be fast. I want to eat soon.
I am ready to order a big meal.
You can have whatever you want.
I need to choose carefully.
There are so many choices here.
I think I know what I want now.
Okay, here we go. Be ready. The staff looks very friendly.
He is smiling at us. Let's go.
Hello, we are ready to order.
Good afternoon. It is a nice day.
We would like to see the specials.
We are looking at the sets.
Let's start with 2 sets, please.
Hi, welcome to Burger King. What can I get for you?
Hi, we would like 2 sets, please.
Sure. Which sets would you like?
1 Whopper set and 1 chicken sandwich set.
Great choice. Would you like to change anything on your Whopper?
Yes, please. No pickles and extra cheese.
No pickles, extra cheese. Got it.
Can I really change things like that?
Of course. Our motto is have it your way.
Have it your way. I like that.
It means you can build your burger the way you like.
That's really kind. My friend might want to change her sandwich too.
No problem. What would she like?
No onions, please. And can we get extra tomato?
Sure. No onions, extra tomato. What drinks would you like?
1 cola and 1 orange juice, please.
Any size?
Medium for both, please.
Ice in the cola?
Yes, please.
And no ice in the juice.
Okay. Ketchup or mayo for the fries?
Ketchup, please. 2 packs.
Sure. Do you need straws and napkins?
Yes, 2 of each, please.
Eat in or take out?
Eat in, please.
Do you have our app?
No, I don't. Is it useful?
Yes, you can save money with coupons.
Oh, nice. I'll get it next time.
Good idea. Your total is $15.20.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here's your change and your receipt.
Thanks.
And here's your number. Please wait at the table.
Got it. Thank you.
We'll bring your food soon. Enjoy your meal.
Wow, the food came fast. This Whopper is huge.
I told you, Whopper means something big.
Okay. Now tell me, what did you see last time?
Right. So I was sitting near the window.
And?
A grown man was wearing a paper crown.
A paper crown? Like a king?
Yes, a yellow one. He was eating a burger with his family.
That's cute. But why was he wearing it?
That's what I want to know. Do you know about it?
Oh, I think I do. The paper crown is a famous thing here.
Really? Why?
Well, the shop's name is Burger King, right?
Right, king.
So the crown is the symbol. Kings wear crowns.
Oh, that makes sense. But why was a grown man wearing one?
The crowns are usually for kids. They come with the kids' meal.
Really?
Yes, and on a child's birthday, the staff gives one for free.
That's sweet.
The kids love it. They feel like a real king or queen for a day.
That's such a fun idea.
Actually, I got one when I was little. I still remember it.
Really? How old were you?
Maybe 6 or 7. I wore it all day at home.
That's so cute.
My mom took many photos. I looked so happy.
Do you still have those photos?
Yes, my mom keeps them in a box at home.
Show me sometime. I want to see little Diana.
Maybe someday.
I'm sure a crown is like magic for kids.
These days, people post crown photos on social media too.
Oh, really? Like a small trend?
Yes, families take fun photos together.
So maybe that man was just having fun with his family.
Probably. It's a nice family moment.
I like that idea. A crown for everyone.
This chicken sandwich is really good. The bread is soft.
Try a bite of my Whopper. I think you'll like it.
Thanks. Wow, this tastes different from other burgers.
Right. It has a smoky taste.
Yes, smoky. Why is that?
Because they cook the meat over real fire.
Real fire? Not a hot pan?
No, they use flames. It's called flame grilled.
Flame grilled. That's a cool word.
Most other burger shops use a flat, hot surface.
So the fire gives it that smoky taste.
Yes, when fat drops on the fire, it makes smoke.
and the smoke gives flavor to the meat.
Exactly. You learn fast.
Thank you, teacher.
The Whopper is really big. One is enough for me.
The meat is thick, too. It's not thin.
They also have a double Whopper, 2 pieces of meat.
2? That's too much for me.
Same here. 1 is perfect.
How are the fries?
They're hot and crispy. Really good.
The salt is just right, not too much.
The lettuce in my burger is really fresh.
And the tomato is nice and red.
I like that they put lots of vegetables in it.
Me too. It feels a little healthier.
A little? It's still a burger.
Try some of my fries.
Thanks. Pass me some, please.
Here, but don't eat all of them.
I won't. I won't.
Add a little ketchup. It's even better.
Good idea.
Not too much, though.
The orange juice is nice too. Not too sweet.
I always get cola, but maybe I'll try juice next time.
You should. It goes well with the salty fries.
By the way, the chicken fries are popular too, I hear.
Chicken fries? Fries made of chicken?
Yes, long, thin chicken pieces. Good for sharing.
Let's try them next time.
I'm getting full, but I still want something sweet.
Me too. Dessert?
Yes, I'll go order. Wait here.
Okay, surprise me.
Hello again. I have a new order.
Hello again. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, very much. The Whopper was great.
I'm glad. What can I get for you now?
2 apple pies, please, and 2 shakes.
What flavor for the shakes?
1 vanilla and 1 chocolate, please.
Got it. Are the shakes for here or to go?
For here, please.
Okay. Our shakes are thick. You may need a spoon, too.
Oh, really? Then 2 spoons, please.
Sure. And the apple pies are warm. Is that okay?
Warm pies? That's perfect.
The pies are classic dessert here, very popular.
I've never tried one. I'm excited.
The apples are soft and sweet. You'll like it.
Sounds great. Thanks.
Anything else?
Yes, this might be a strange question.
Go ahead. I hear strange questions every day.
Okay, could we also get a paper crown?
A paper crown?
Yes, it's for my friend. She really wants one.
Oh, how sweet. Of course you can have one.
Really? Thank you.
The crowns are mostly for kids, but we give them to nice people too.
That's so kind of you.
Here you go. 1 paper crown for your friend.
It's bigger than I thought.
Yes, it fits most heads, kids or adults.
Is it okay to ask for one even without a kid?
At most shops, yes. Just ask kindly, like you did.
Good to know. Thank you so much.
Your total for the dessert is $7.80.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your change and receipt.
Thanks.
Your number is 42. I'll bring everything to your table.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind.
No problem. Have a nice afternoon.
Thank you. I will.
You're back. What took so long?
I had a special order. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes. Why?
Just trust me. Close them.
Okay. Okay, they're closed.
Now, open them.
A paper crown for me?
Yes, I asked the staff, and she was really kind.
I can't believe you got one.
Try it on.
Come on. Okay. How does it look?
You look great, like a real king.
Does it fit okay? Not too tight?
It looks just right. The yellow looks good on you. Now, smile. Let me take a photo.
Okay. Ready.
Now, I'm the Burger Queen.
Welcome, Queen Diana.
Thank you, Toni. I'm really happy today.
Thanks. Oh, it's still warm.
By the way, do you know when Burger King started?
Earlier, 1954 in Miami.
Wow, that's over 70 years ago.
Yes, and the Whopper came in 1950s.
You're welcome, my king.
Did you enjoy the story? Let me ask you the question again. What year did Burger King start? Did you find the answer? If yes, write it in the comments below. Keep practicing like this and your English will improve step by step. On this channel, I share simple English stories with slow speaking and helpful tips. I will upload more videos like this. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. You can also join the membership if you want more content. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!